Hello everyone, this is Sherry from Tenveo. We are in InfoComm 2026. Today I want to introduce our new product, the AI Webcam. Uh, you can. It has a privacy cover. It will protect your privacy very well, and it has a magnet to fix the cameras easily. And it can be held during the monitor very easy. For this webcam, it has 4K vision and 50 megapixel clarity images. And also it has a fast PDAF technology with smart AI framing functions. Also it has dual mics with AI noise reduction. It's USB 3 plug and play. It works in several sceneries. For more information, please visit us at www.tenveo.com. Thank you.